Welcome to our vibrant showcase of bricks. In this video, we'll explore the stunning array of colors and finishes available to help you choose the perfect oxide for your DIY projects or brickmaking business. Now, let's dive into the magic behind these colors, the oxides. On the left, we have the yellow oxide, and on the right, the red oxide. These oxides are essential for achieving high-quality, vivid pigments in our bricks. They not only enhance the aesthetic appeal, but also add durability and longevity. Let's look at the yellow oxide. Notice its fine texture and rich pigment. The red oxide is offering a deep, warm tone. As you can see, oxide comes with a wide range of colors, highlighting the versatility and aesthetic options available for your projects. This green hue is perfect for adding a fresh, natural touch to any space. This gray brick pairs well with a variety of design styles, from contemporary to industrial. This vibrant red color is ideal for creating a bold, eye-catching look in any project. Oxide can be applied to any type of brick. This versatility allows for creative and varied applications in your projects, enhancing both color and durability. We hope this detailed look at our brick colors, shapes, and the advantages of using oxides helps you in making an informed decision. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us for more updates. Visit TL Store to see our brick molds and more.